Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just finished up my squat lift for the garage gym competition for this week. I'm doing a single lift each day. So squat today, I think I'm gonna bench on Wednesday, and I'm gonna deadlift on Thursday. But an item just came in and I wanted to do a quick video on it. Something I've been anxiously looking forward to. It's an Eyebell connector from Mutant Metals. A little bit of backstory. I got these Henny Straps back in November, December-ish maybe of 2024. And they are connected to my rack with these Vex speed pins from Surplus Strength, and I have not once moved the location of the Vex speed pins as an anchor point for the Henny Straps. So I wanted to free up the Vex pins to be able to use them for other types of attachment points, and saw these and decided these are going to be an option for me. And what they do is they actually turn any bolt assembly into a fixed anchor point. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to replace this bolt nuts on the inside. I'm going to have to flip the bolt around, attach the Eyebell to it, and then I'll connect the Henny strap to it, and that will free up the Vex speed pin. So I'm going to jump into it right now. So the Rogue washer is too wide of a diameter to fit inside the top beam up here. So what I'm going to do, I've got a smaller diameter washer from another project that I'm going to use. I'm going to see that'll be enough to fill the gap. And it's all hand taut because didn't love trying to use the lock nut. So yeah, so smaller washer on the inside, nut, bigger washer. My goal is I just got to tighten these down one time because I'm not moving them. That's the whole point of getting them, is I haven't moved these other ones. Let's see, that still might not be enough. No, so that's not gonna work. So we are gonna have to throw in a split lock washer on the inside. That's okay, not a problem. Boom, nice and snug. So I did put the lock washer in the inside, used a screwdriver to twist it. Now it's nice and snug. The hand strap off, Vex pin off. Use that somewhere else. And then let's see here. Might have to, yeah, this needs to go one more quarter turn so that way, because this is gonna swing. Oh, that should be all right. That's actually what we want. Yep, that should work. Awesome. Now I gotta do the same thing on the other side. All right, so again, strap comes off, carabiner comes off, Vex pin, put that there. And then boom, ready to go. It's not really gonna be an issue, but I preemptively ordered these bolt beanies from Frog Fits for the nuts here. I thought this was gonna be a little bit closer. I didn't want any wear from the bolt on the Henny strap. Not a big deal, just kind of gives it a little bit of a cooler aesthetic anyway. So yeah, of course now I gotta get on my tiptoes because I'm not tall. And there you can see the whole setup. So kind of gives it a nice aesthetic. Again, biggest thing was just freeing up those Vex speed pins. I can use as anchor points on other parts of the rack. So yeah, I'm excited. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Any questions about it? Again, these are the Eyebell connectors from Mutant Metals. Pretty nifty little guys there, if you can see that. And it just replaces the nut that goes onto the bolt. So pretty cool.